Hey, what's up everybody? Peace, unlock, Antoine.Digital here. Quick message, I'm going to be doing a intro to gaming crash course where I'll be talking about how to build games, right? How games are built, just giving you some like high level knowledge so that way you can really get a good start on your game development career. I know so many people have game ideas or play the video game all day and just be like, hey, maybe I should be building the games for how much I'm playing it. All right, so get started. I want to put you on. We're going to be talking about some cool stuff. We're going to be talking about how to add characters to your game, how to add different game objects like enemies or coins to your game, how to add different effects to your character, how to change the scene. Really cool stuff, right? Invite your kids. Definitely get your kids here. There's no reason why they shouldn't be learning this knowledge. It's our time. Unlock.